Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Jahid Hussain. I'm the student of Bangladesh University of Professional. Today I'm going to talk about the wetlands and how they functions within our evolving ecosystem. So, what wetlands actually are? Basically, a wetland is a distinct ecosystem that is flooded by water either permanently or seasonally, where oxygen-free processes prevail. The primary factor that distinguishes wetlands from other land forms of water bodies in the characteristics vegetation of aquatic plants adapted to the unique hydraulic soil. So another is functions of ecological. Firstly, wetland performs many functions. Knowledge and understanding about the complexities wetland ecosystem represent is still developing. Environmental benefits wetland provide: water purification, flood protection, shoreline stabilization, groundwater research, and stream flow maintenance. Secondly, there are some sources of ecological service provided by wetlands such as habitat and biodiversity, recreation, nutrient regulation, soil and sediment regulation, disturbance and natural hazard regulation, cultural values and aesthetic, water supply, and food production. Thirdly, the benefits of wetland. Wetlands plays a critical role in maintaining many natural cycles and supporting a wide range of biodiversity that purify and replenish our water and provide the fish and rice that feed billions. They serve as a natural sponge against flooding and drought, protect our coastline, and help fight climate change. There are some benefits of wetland such as wildlife nursery, flood control, pollution filter, storm buffer, wind buffer, fertile farmland, recreation and tourism, carbon sink, jobs hub, and sea level rise mitigation. Now we are going to talk about wetland in Bangladesh context. Bangladesh possesses numerous areas of wetland including rivers and streams, freshwater lakes and marshes, Haur Baur B water storage reservoir, fish ponds, flooded cultivated fields, and estuarine systems that extensively mangrove swamps. The man-made wetlands also include like lakes, dighi, pond, and boropi. Distribution of wetland in Bangladesh. There are some types such as river and estuaries, mangrove swamps, shallow lakes, large water storage, small tank, shrimp ponds, seasonally flooded plains. In total, around 57 lakhs 65,000 acres hectare lands are distributed into wetland. Classification are most scientists consider swamps, marshes, and bogs to the three major kinds of wetland. Generally, there are four mainly kinds of wetland, such as marsh, swamps, bogs, fen, etc. Some experts also recognize wet meadows and aquatic ecosystems as additional wetland types. Now we are going to talk about biodiversity. Wetlands have been called biological supersystem because they produce great volume of food that support a remarkable level of biodiversity. In terms of number and variety of species supported, they are as rich as rainforests and coral reef, whether they are inland, coastal, or human-made wetlands. Not only as they very important habitat for biodiversity, but also they are rich in biodiversity. 40% of the world plant and animal species live or breed in wetlands, whereas over 1 lakh freshwater species can be found in wetlands. Economic benefits. Wetlands contributes to the national and local economics by producing resources, enabling recreation activities, and providing other benefits such as pollution control and flood protection, drinking water and quality, cleaning the water, recreation, fisheries, wildlife habitat, and many other commercial benefits. Social benefit. Far from being useless disease-ridden places, wetlands provide values that no other ecosystem can. These include natural water quality improvement, flood protection, shoreline erosion control, opportunities for recreation and aesthetic appreciation, and natural product for our use at no cost. Wetland restoration example from Dhaka and other places in our country. Wetland restoration in the manipulation of a former or degraded wetland's physical, chemical, or biological characteristics to return its normal function. Restoration practices included reestablishment, the rebuilding a former wetland, and rehabilitation, repairing the function of a degraded wetland. In the past decade, over 9 lakh acres of wetlands and uplands have been restored and over 27 millions of riparian instead habitat have been rehabilitated. The biodiversity within an ecosystem is dependent upon the quality of habitat. Bangladesh's floodplain remain wetlands, but much of the habitat is degraded. Dysfunction in the system is a major decrease for declining diversity of fish and other fauna and flora. In turn, that reduces the diversity and resilience of livelihood of people, especially the poor who dependent on those wetlands. Restoration of habitat can take years to accomplish and resultant expected increases in biodiversity can take even longer. Full restoration to historical condition is most often not possible because of human needs and requirements. So, finally, wetland ecosystems are interconnected and interactive within a watershed. The environmental pressure of unplanned urbanization and growing population has taken its toll of wetlands. The study revealed the about 35% decline in the number and loss in the interconnectivity among wetlands, disrupting the drainage network and hydrologic regime, leading to irreversible change in wetland quality. Thank you for being with me. That's all about my city and topics about wetland of Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum.